Hello everyone. The following is environmental news. Nowadays, environmental pollution is a hot issue causing huge waste in public. There are a lot of scientific study on these issues. We know that the cause of pollution originates from the tasks small in our daily lives, such as littering, deforestation, or the direct discharge of smoke from vehicles produced into the environment without treatment. However, if these actions are repeated many times, gradually the amount of pollution is increasing and has opposite impact in our lives. The manifestation of environmental pollution is an increase in the carbon footprint in the air, soil, and water, which is a gas that does not sweeten life. Environmental pollution is also a direct cause of global warming, leading to a series of phenomena such as the greenhouse effect I kept melting, natural disasters as, such as droughts, fast volcanic eruption, and so on. The sea level is rising. More and more natural disasters occur, which threaten all species, making some of which be rare or extinct, breaking the ecological balance. On the earth, human beings aren't exception. We are breathing polluted air, eating a seafood. In recent years, we have seen a dramatic increase in the number of people suffering from respiratory and digestive disease. In conclusion, environmental pollution is a matter taking a lot of concern. Is it time for us to take action to overcome these current issues to protect our own lives? Let's plant trees, afforestation, raise public awareness, limit the using of plastic. Next, we will come to a big problem nowadays, which is the carbon footprint. So, do you know what the carbon footprint is? Carbon footprint is the amount of CO2 emitted by an individual, organization, or event that can be harmful to the environment. The carbon footprint of each person in each organization one will be different. To reduce environmental pollution, each person needs to take measures to reduce CO2 emissions. So, how to reduce our carbon footprint? Here are some ways to reduce your carbon footprint. The first is limited personal driving. One of the main reasons for the increase in carbon footprint is the amount of CO2 emitted from vehicles such as cars. Instead of instead of driving your car, you can choose to walk, ride a bicycle, run an electric car, electric motorbike, or take a bus. Choosing environmentally friendly green electric vehicles is also a solution to help you cut the amount of carbon released from the fuel incineration first per travel. The second is to switch to clean energy. Fossil fuels are limited, natural resources are finite, and when burned, they release toxins that pollute the air, accelerating negative climate change. We limit our dependence on fossil fuel by switching to clean and suitable energy such as using electric, wind, solar, and geothermal power. You can use electric motorbikes and electric cars instead of fossil fuel powered vehicles such as gasoline and oil. The third is planting tree. Each person only needs to make a small contribution to plant a tree. They also contribute to protecting the earth from environmental pollution. This is the most practical way to reduce your carbon footprint. You can plant trees in the garden, in front of the house, or even small pot plants on the desk or living room. Moreover, to reduce carbon footprint caused by electrical equipment, the simple way is to unplug an electric appliance when not in use. Then thus doing fires with no waste. No waste is an effective solution to combat climate change. Practicing fires without waste with three principles including reduce, reuse, and recycle.